Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode. You can manage dark mode settings. For example, you can change dark mode style between medium and gentle, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, and adjust icons to dark mode. Also, you can enable auto switch between sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. Next, you can change brightness of the display manually or via auto brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between vivid, natural and pro mode. And also you can change screen color temperature. In Pro mode you can select between cinematic or brilliant. Then you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its intensity, and change display effects between color and black and white. Then you can enable or disable bright HDR video mode, auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen refresh rate between auto select, high or standard, and manage front camera display by app, which means you can select drive to auto adapt, show front camera, hide front camera, or you can manage full screen display by app, but unfortunately no apps are using this function on this phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.